Think about this for just 1 second. Are all indicators useless because they are all lagging? Has an indicator ever truly improved your trading? And do you even have indicators that are on your chart and you're not sure why? Now, these are obviously very important questions for you to consider, as I'm sure most of you are using at least one indicator right now. But are they really working for you? I remember when my chart looked like this, and I was totally lost as a trader. I would have some losing trades and I would change the indicators, use new indicators, and I was constantly chasing my tail and losing money, as I never stuck with one strategy. It was just constantly changing. If this sounds like you, then listen up. What I want to show you in this vid is an indicator that isn't lagging and shows you exactly where and why you should enter the trade. It's been a game changer for many traders in our trading community, as it's clear, concise, and easy to use. It eliminates any doubt regarding your entry. And most importantly, it has given our traders consistent results. So let's take a sneak peek at this indicator that the boffins at Simply Forex have created. So what makes this indicator so powerful is that it incorporates the 4 pillars of price action. And this is exactly how I trade. And I've been doing this for almost 20 years. And it includes, number 1, structure and trend. Number 2, support and resistance levels. Number 3, candlesticks. And number 4, this concept of value. And this will do all of this for you. In fact, it's more than an indicator, it's a price action strategy. It will help you understand price action and it will also find trades for you. So what we're going to do is look at each one of those pillars individually, starting with structure and trend. Now, as you can see, this is Euro US dollar. This is the H4 chart. We're looking at the H4 chart because this is predominantly the time frame that I enter on. And normally how I trade, guys, is I look for daily trend and H4 trend to mirror each other. Therefore, we have a high probability trade. So let's bring up the first part of the indicator. And as you can see, these green lines have appeared. And what these green lines tell you are structure. If we are trading above these green lines, we are in an uptrend. Okay, so as you can see, they prove to be higher highs in this case. Okay, so it plots structure for you and therefore tells you trend, right? We are in an uptrend if we're trading above these green lines. Now, structure will change as soon as we get a green line appear below price and we start trading below it. And we'll look at that in literally 1 minute. But the other really important thing I wanted to show you guys was this. In the top right hand corner, it gives you daily trend and it is bullish currently. So we have H4 in an uptrend and we have daily in an uptrend as well. We could be looking for buys throughout this upward movement. Okay, but what I want to show you guys is how clever the indicator is and how it uses real-time data. It is not lagging. So we're going to look for a structure break, firstly on the H4. So let's play this along. Right, there you go, guys. We don't have to wait too long to see that we have had a break of these lows in here with this candle here. And we've started to get lower lows. We are now in a H4 downtrend, but I'm still not interested in selling yet because on the daily trend, we are still bullish. So let's wait for this to turn bearish. And again, you will see it happen in real time. It is not lagging. So keep an eye on that top right hand corner, guys, and we will see when daily trend turns bearish. Okay, there we go. So at that point, we are now looking for sell trades because we have H4 in a downtrend. Yeah, the green breaks of structure are telling us this, and we now have daily in a downtrend. So this brings us nicely to point number 2, support and resistance levels, because we need to understand where we can take the trade from. So let me add the second piece of the indicator. Right now, you can see price has brought up areas of resistance that we can trade from, right? Because we're in a downtrend, guys, we're looking for areas of resistance. And you can see these levels here are being plotted. Now, ideally, what we want to do is find multiple support and resistance levels, in this case, resistance levels at the same point. So there is a support and resistance level, there is a support and resistance level, and these structure breaks also form good support and resistance levels. So you can clearly see through here, we have a really good level. So it plots it for you. But let me just add a grey support and resistance level through there. Okay, so you can clearly see we've got a really nice level that we can enter from now. Okay, so let's play this along and see if we get a reaction at that level. Okay, so we've had a reaction at this level, right? Now this actually brings us to point number 3, which is candlesticks. Once price gets to our level, right, we need a bearish reaction. So as you can see, this probably isn't bearish enough, but this candle definitely is. Okay, so we can start selling at this level and put our stops above here. So let's just bring up a short position and do exactly that. With this trade, we have been looking for 1:1 and then letting some of the profit run. Okay, so let's bring it down to 1:1. Okay, so there you go. So that is our trade set. So let's just recap. We had number 1, we had structure and trend. Number 2, we've clearly identified support and resistance, all thanks to the indicator. And now we need to use a little bit of discretion when it comes to the candlesticks. But I think you'll all agree we have had a nice bearish candlestick. Okay, now let's see this trade play out. Okay, there you go, guys, right? We eventually hit target with this candle here. Okay, stops above here. Now, I also talk about this concept of value, and this is the third part of our indicator. So let me just add this now. Okay, and obviously, guys, you can change the colors of this. But as you can see now, we have brought up a river. You can see this river running through price here and here. And we are only interested in taking trades once they have retraced to the river. Let me take my lines away now and you can see. So you can clearly see that this candle, right, reacted at our resistance level and we were in the river and then we got this bearish candle. So that is the 4th pillar of price action. Because we've retraced to the river, we have value. Okay, so let's just combine all of these things one more time. Remember, we're looking for multiple support and resistance levels. So in this case, we've got this level here and we've got this level through here as well. So let's just combine these two levels, right? So this level through here. And remember, we want price to retrace to the river. You can see the river coming through here, right? We want price to retrace into here. And then we want a bearish reaction. So let's play this along now. Right. Okay, if we see this candle here, I would say that is definitely bearish enough. Look how bearish this candle is, but also look how all of these candles are closing within each other. We're in the river. We literally touched our resistance level that the indicator helped us plot, right? We're in business again, okay? So again, let's bring up a short position, stops just above the candle, and we are looking for 1:1. So we would have pretty much hit target already, guys. But normally with this strategy that we've been using in our community, we let some profit run. So once we get 1:1, right, at here, we normally take partial profit and let some profit run. But as you can see, guys, again, this trade ticks all the boxes, right? We're trading below these green lines, right? So we are clearly in a downtrend. That mirrors the daily trend as well, okay? We've got our support and resistance level plotted for us. We was at a resistance level. We also had a nice bearish reaction at that level. And we were in the river, which represents value. Ticks all of the boxes. We take a trade and then we see how it goes. So let's just see this one play out, guys, as well. Okay, great. So as you can see, guys, this indicator really helps you firstly understand price action, but also it's a strategy within itself. It tells you exactly where and why you can enter the market. And if you're interested in this indicator, guys, please go check out the links below and get involved. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button. And I'll see you next time, guys.